It's Marina. We're from the UAE in Dubai. Marina's had some rhinoplasty through forerunners. We find everything very easy, very good. Surgery, top class surgery. Yeah, very well organised, very reasonable prices, yeah, very reasonable. And yeah, no complaints. This is 3 days after surgery and we are now going home.